From the frenetic flap of a startled chicken to the lumbering gait of a turkey, birds often appear to be nature's most unwitting comedians. Their movements can seem clumsy, disproportionate, or downright absurd. But beneath the surface of these seemingly ridiculous antics lies a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Every twitch, every dash, and every wobbly stride is not a mistake, but a meticulously honed survival strategy. We're about to delve into the fascinating biomechanics and neurological quirks that transform ordinary poultry into extraordinary examples of natural selection, turning laughter into admiration for their remarkable design. Perhaps the most infamous display of poultry physics is the headless chicken phenomenon. It's a vivid, if grotesque, example of how profoundly different a bird's nervous system is from our own. When a chicken is decapitated, the brain, the seat of conscious thought and complex motor control, is removed. Yet, the body can continue to run, flap, and thrash for a surprising duration. This isn't a miracle, it's a stark demonstration of the bird's robust, decentralized reflex arcs, embedded within its spinal cord and brainstem, which can operate independently of higher brain functions. In birds, particularly ground-dwelling fowl like chickens and turkeys, the brainstem and spinal cord are capable of processing and executing complex motor patterns. These ancient neural circuits are responsible for fundamental movements like walking, running, and even maintaining balance. When the head is severed, the brain's inhibitory signals are removed, but the motor neurons in the spinal cord remain active and can fire in a coordinated sequence, triggered by residual oxygen and nerve impulses. This allows for a terrifying, yet purely reflexive, continuation of movement, driven by the body's ingrained survival programming to escape perceived danger. Beyond the dramatic headless dash, many of a bird's seemingly odd movements stem from its extraordinary physical adaptations. Consider their skeletal structure, remarkably lightweight, yet incredibly strong. Birds possess hollow bones, reinforced with internal struts, making them both agile and robust. This architecture is crucial for flight, but for ground-dwelling birds, it translates into unparalleled agility and speed on land. Paired with powerful leg muscles concentrated near the body's center, this design enables explosive acceleration, rapid changes in direction, and impressive leaping abilities, all vital for evading predators. The musculature of a chicken's legs is a biomechanical marvel. Unlike human muscles designed for endurance running, avian leg muscles are optimized for short, powerful bursts. They are rich in fast twitch fibers, allowing for rapid contraction and explosive power output. This is why a chicken can accelerate from 0 to top speed almost instantly, or perform gravity-defying leaps to clear obstacles. These muscles are not built for marathons, but for the immediate, decisive action required to escape danger. Their unique composition dictates the jerky, sudden movements we often observe, a testament to efficiency in a predator-filled world. Another common, often humorous, poultry trait is the head bob. Chickens and pigeons repeatedly thrust their heads forward and then hold them still relative to the ground. This isn't a quirky dance. It's a sophisticated visual stabilization technique. Known as pecking or thrusting head bobbing, it allows birds to stabilize their visual field during locomotion. By keeping the head stationary for brief moments, they create a clear, sharp image of their surroundings, enabling precise depth perception and obstacle detection, crucial for foraging and spotting predators amidst cluttered environments. It's a natural optical stabilizer. The head bobbing mechanism is intricately linked to the vestibulo-ocular reflex, VOR. This reflex allows the eyes to remain fixed on a target even as the head moves. While humans move their eyes, birds largely achieve this by moving their heads. As the bird steps forward, its head moves, then quickly snaps back to a fixed position, giving its brain a stable moment to process visual information. This continuous sequence of forward thrust and static hold creates a series of clear snapshots, rather than a blurred image. It's an energy-efficient way to maintain sharp vision while navigating a dynamic world. Turkeys, with their often exaggerated, wobbly gait, offer another fascinating case study. Their distinctive walk, especially pronounced in males displaying to females, combines several biomechanical factors. Their large, heavy bodies and relatively short legs contribute to a higher center of gravity, which can make them seem less stable. However, this wobble is often intentional, part of their elaborate courtship rituals. The display, involving fanning tails, puffed-up feathers, and vibrant head colors, is amplified by their dramatic, swaggering walk, demonstrating vitality and strength to potential mates, a truly unique form of communication. Like all bipedal animals, birds face unique challenges in maintaining balance. Their high center of gravity, coupled with powerful leg muscles, makes them inherently stable when standing still, but requires constant adjustment during movement. The wobble or sway we observe in larger birds like turkeys is their body's continuous compensation to shift weight and maintain equilibrium. Their large feet provide a stable base, and their tail, even if short, can act as a counterbalance. This intricate dance of muscle, bone, and neural control allows them to navigate uneven terrain with surprising effectiveness, despite appearances. Birds excel at instant responses. A sudden noise or movement can trigger an explosive startle reflex, sending them scattering in all directions. This isn't panic, it's a pre-programmed, high-speed defense mechanism. Their brains are wired for rapid threat assessment and immediate physical reaction, prioritizing survival over thoughtful analysis. The neural pathways for the startle response are short and direct, bypassing higher cognitive centers to initiate muscle contractions almost instantaneously. This flight or fight response is calibrated for maximum efficiency in escaping perceived danger, even if the threat turns out to be a falling leaf. To understand avian behavior, we must consider their brain structure. Compared to mammals, birds have a relatively small cerebral cortex, which in humans is responsible for complex thought, reasoning, and planning. Instead, birds possess a highly developed optic tectum, crucial for visual processing and rapid spatial awareness. Their cerebellum, responsible for coordination and motor control, is also proportionally large. This neurological architecture emphasizes quick, sensory-driven responses and motor execution over elaborate cognitive processing, perfectly suiting their need for immediate action in environments where delays can be fatal. When a chicken runs, it's not a haphazard scramble. The mechanics are precise. Its bipedal gait involves a distinctive hip rotation and knee flexion that allows for powerful propulsion. Their small wings, even if flightless, play a role in balance, subtly adjusting air currents to maintain stability at speed. This combination of powerful legs, efficient bone structure, and a reflex-driven nervous system makes them remarkably effective sprinters over short distances. Every muscle fiber fires in a coordinated symphony, propelling them away from danger with surprising grace, despite the often humorous perception. Many avian behaviors are driven by instinct rather than learned experience. For instance, the pecking order in a flock, or the innate fear of overhead predators, are deeply ingrained. These instinctive responses are hardwired into their neural circuits, enabling rapid and consistent reactions across individuals. While this might make them seem less intelligent by human standards, it's a testament to evolutionary efficiency. In a world where immediate survival is paramount, instinct provides a reliable, high-speed operating system, bypassing the slower processes of conscious decision-making, ensuring the species' continuation. The physical adaptations that make ground-dwelling birds so peculiar are often starkly different from those of aerial masters. While flyers like eagles prioritize wing strength and aerodynamic bodies, chickens and turkeys have evolved for terrestrial dominance. Their heavier bones, strong leg tendons, and compact bodies are optimized for walking, running, and scratching for food. Their limited flight ability is a trade-off, sacrificing aerial prowess for ground-based resilience and rapid escape. This specialization highlights the diverse paths of evolution, where form perfectly follows the function dictated by environmental pressures. Pecking, a seemingly simple action, also demonstrates sophisticated biomechanics. When a chicken pecks, it uses its strong neck muscles and a precise head movement to strike the ground or an object. The force generated isn't just for breaking seeds, it's also for exploration and defense. The rapid pecking motion is supported by fast twitch muscles and a quick neural feedback loop, allowing for adjustments mid-peck. It's an efficient foraging tool, ensuring quick acquisition of food while minimizing exposure to predators. Every peck is a tiny, powerful example of purpose-driven motion. The continuous state of alert often seen in poultry, characterized by constant head movements and scanning, is a direct result of their prey status. Their survival hinges on early detection of threats. Their wide field of vision, combined with the head-bobbing mechanism, allows them to monitor almost 360 degrees around them. This hypervigilance isn't anxiety, it's a finely tuned sensory system designed to maximize survival in an often hostile world. Every seemingly erratic glance is a calculated scan, a data point for their highly reactive nervous system, ready to initiate escape at a moment's notice. Consider the sheer speed of their neurological processing for escape. From detecting a shadow overhead to initiating a full-blown sprint, the entire sequence occurs in milliseconds. This rapid response is facilitated by short neural pathways from sensory organs directly to motor control centers, bypassing lengthy analysis. It's an evolutionary trade-off, less capacity for complex problem-solving, but unparalleled efficiency in reacting to immediate dangers. This "don't think, just run" philosophy is the cornerstone of their survival, a testament to nature's pragmatic approach to engineering life. Even flightless birds retain some vestigial flight mechanics that influence their ground movements. The powerful muscles in their wings, though no longer capable of sustained flight, still contribute to balance and provide an initial burst of lift for short, frantic jumps. This residual flight reflex can be seen when a chicken flaps its wings frantically during a sprint or jump, helping to stabilize its body or add a momentary boost. It's a fascinating echo of their flying ancestors, subtly shaping their terrestrial locomotion and adding another layer to their unique, often comical, physics. While not built for marathons, chickens possess remarkable short-burst endurance. They can maintain high speeds for crucial moments, enough to reach cover or outmaneuver a predator. This is powered by a high metabolism and efficient oxygen delivery to their fast-twitch leg muscles. Their cardiovascular system is optimized for these intense, brief efforts, not prolonged exertion. This metabolic specialization means they tire quickly but can perform astonishing feats of speed and agility when it truly counts, making them perfect examples of survival through specialized physical output, even if it looks like a chaotic sprint. From the seemingly nonsensical headless run to the comical head bob, every peculiar movement in poultry serves a profound purpose. They are not random acts of nature's buffoons, but rather the finely tuned output of millions of years of evolution. Their biomechanics prioritize explosive power and agility. Their neurology prioritizes instant, reflexive responses over complex thought. These birds are masters of the moment, perfectly adapted to survive in a world demanding constant vigilance and immediate action. What appears as hilarious physical comedy is, in fact, a testament to nature's ingenious design for survival.